So, according to the Office of English Language Programs in the US, there apparently is more words to the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star than you may have realized. So, this is the website, and here are the lyrics. I wrote down the lyrics for a blog, and I made some few modifications because some of the words just didn't work out from the article. So you can have some fun too. I'm gonna play for you the fingering on the piano for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, y'all, here's the official lyrics. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Here it comes. When the blazing sun is set, and the grass with dew is wet, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle, all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Then the traveler in dark thanks you for your tiny spark. How could he see where to go if you did not twinkle so? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. As your bright and tiny spark lights the travel in the dark, though I know not what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.